Hello again. For those just tuning into this training series on breaking down dvLED, my name is Tom Keefe, and I'm the category manager for dvLED here at Exertis Almo. The title of this edition is "The First Step in Installing a dvLED Video Wall is Admitting and Accepting that You May Need Help." I'm personally one of those people who never ask for directions. To be honest, I feel like I'm generally a capable person and I don't need assistance. I'll figure it out, is my adage. Admittedly, this tactic doesn't always work out in my favor. Oftentimes, I observe this same mentality among AV integrators who are planning dvLED projects. And while I certainly can relate, there are some unique challenges that come with dvLED projects that sometimes require that the integrator has assistance in order to properly execute and commission the wall. If you've been selling direct view for any length of time, you'll be sure to have noticed that vendors can sometimes seem a little rigid with their installation and certification requirements. Some require the integrator to complete a certification course, and usually on-site and over the course of a couple of days. This is in order to be authorized to install their product on-site. In some instances, certain vendors even require that their service technicians commission the entire project. While that is not common, it does happen from time to time. At minimum, most vendors require that one of their service technicians or a certified individual be on site to assist and oversee the installation. Generally, this is an additional paid service, but there are some cases where the service is included at no charge. Finally, a few vendors will waive the requirement to have a branded or certified technician on site, but will then require that an add-on insurance type fee be paid to cover any subsequent damage during an integration by the integrator. To many integrators, all of the above can seem a little unpalatable. My goal here is to educate you on why this type of hands-on service is not only necessary, but more importantly, a critical component to ensuring the project is completed in the most cost-efficient manner. It boils down to the concept of time is money. First, let's clarify what on-site service includes. In most cases, there are two types of services offered for dvLED installation: guided and on-site service. Full service is self-explanatory. A full crew handles all aspects of the project installation and commissioning of the wall and works with the integrator to partner on project management with the end user. Services like this can be obtained by working with Exertis Almo's service group, Link Lab, or, in some limited cases, a vendor that has a field-based technical staff. Now, guided on-site installation support, on the other hand, like what is offered by brands such as Epson, LG, Planar, and others, consists of a single technician coming on site to lead the integration. This individual will typically be involved in all aspects of the labor side and perform any necessary programming, setup, and training for the integrator's team and the end user. Depending on the terms of the service agreement, the technician may or may not provide hands-on assistance versus a general guided presence. This service generally guarantees that the job will be completed on time and that any potential snags are dealt with expediently. Having a branded technician assist with the installation also provides liability protection to the integrator in the event of any mishaps or product damage that occurs during the project under the umbrella of warranty coverage. So how does this relate to time is money? In almost all cases, when having a designated vendor technician on site, you don't have to expend any of your own human capital on line items such as labor or programming. Additionally, an on-site vendor tech will cut hours, if not days, from the installation time. And the end user will have a great experience in terms of product training and support from the vendor. This reflects positively on the integrator, thereby promoting repeat business. Finally, a vendor technician will ensure that everything is tested before leaving the job and attempt to repair or replace any damaged modules or other parts to avoid any unnecessary returns to the job site to address anything that was potentially missed or perhaps damaged during the installation process. All these benefits, taken together, equate to a world-class level of service, a better customer experience, and fewer headaches that always cost money down the road. So I'm sure the question of what will it cost has come to mind of many of you. While there is a cost associated with providing the services mentioned above, as discussed, it is almost certainly going to be based on a turnaround time that will require less hours than had the integrator commissioned the project without assisted service. Additionally, the price of these services, whether full install or guided, is a fixed price. Therefore, the integrator won't be paying for unplanned delays that are outside of their control. In almost all cases, the variable cost implication of having a vendor technician on site is net positive for the dealer. It is important to remember that a dvLED wall has exponentially more components than a traditional LCD wall, and it's far easier to damage LED modules than a pre-built LCD display, even when installing a video wall. dvLED is also relatively new to our industry, and most integrators have not yet established the learning curve benefits that come with repeated commissioning. By having a trained and qualified vendor on site, the integrator's team essentially receives free, hands-on training that can be applied to future projects. That concludes today's session. As always, if you have questions about dvLED or anything related to audio-video, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'll see you on the next edition of Breaking Down dvLED.